High Rev 90, Ford Focus Radiator Repair. And they said, don't pull the cross member and bumper due to alignment issues. Well, if you close the hood before you tighten up the cross member bolts, you ain't gonna have no alignment issues. Follow up. Easy stuff. Gravy. Simple as that. I'm gonna tighten up the cross member bolts here. Where were you at? Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. All you gotta do is tighten one. Close the hood. Tighten one there. And one there. Get that bad boy snug. If you can reach the other ones, tighten them up too. You're not gonna have any hood issues. Oh, look. Yeah, rule number one, don't tighten up all the freaking bolts that have attachment points like the hood latch. Don't tighten the freaking bolts prior to closing the hood for the cross member. Simple. It's all easy stuff, man. You guys know this stuff. But you listen to everybody else and the way they so-called say it in air quotes. Oh, they say to do it this way and they say to do it that way. Think outside the box, man. Come on, you guys know better than that. All you guys, all you mechanics out there, you guys know what the hell you're doing. Don't listen to everybody every time. Figure out your own solutions. Think outside the box. Come up with stuff on your own. Now my hood latch is perfectly aligned. I'm going to tighten up the cross member bolts and watch. Put some grease. Get some grease on that bad boy. Good to go. High Rev 90. Home mechanic. Think outside the box. You guys know better than everybody else. Yes, it's good to listen to other people. I hear you. Know what you know. Know what you don't know. High Rev 90. Home mechanic. Peace. Aloha.